Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE. On this Jaguar we're going to go over how you would be able to jump start your engine. And say your battery is dead, and the battery on this vehicle is located in the trunk, but we have access to be able to jump start our vehicle right here. So first you'll need to use your key and the key fob to get into the door using the manual key fob. Then once you're in there, then you can pull the hood release latch to be able to pop the hood and raise it up. And once you get to that, then we can get to this cover here that has a battery connection for a positive connection, and then that way we can pop that cover and we have the positive feed here, and we have this negative right here, which is this bolt for the negative. So you're going to take your jumper cables or a jumper box, and you're going to connect your positive here on this side, and then you would hook your positive on the donor battery or vehicle and your negative on that vehicle, and then you would hook your negative up right here. We've got those two hooked up. Now you wait a few minutes, then you would be able to start your vehicle and be able to get to where you need to go. You may need to check your alternator and make sure that that is charging fully, or the battery itself has just gone bad. But once you've got the vehicle started and ready to go, then you'll go through this reverse order by unhooking a negative on this connection, unhooking the negative and the positive from the previous battery, or the donor battery or jumper vehicle, and then you'll undo this positive cable and be able to put all your covers back on and snap that cover back up. And so that's how you would jump start your vehicle on your Jaguar XE of 2017. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.